I'm John, and in today's video that I'm making, I'm gonna be speaking in a language that everybody could understand because, oh, before that, I'm here at our small, little garden area, okay, where I will be building a greenhouse in the future, but it's a vegetable farm, and I'm doing this recording right now because my goal, and I believe that one day, no, not one day, a year from now, the same exact spot, I'm gonna be recording again another video, and by that time, I'm gonna be hitting my first million. Yeah, I believe so. With the help of this farm that we're gonna be building, we're gonna make. So, right now, my YouTube channel only has a one subscriber, and that subscriber is just another account of mine. What? And today is um January 20 2025. I don't have anything yet. I don't have car. I do have my own house, but I can't call it a house yet because it doesn't have any furniture. It just have a roof and, you know, something where I could sleep on. I don't have any properties because this is my mom's properties. It's not mine. I don't have any money in my bank account. My bank account has zero balance, and I don't even know if it's still active because I'm not putting any money in it. I'm not investing anymore. You know, we don't have anything yet. But I promise to myself January 20, 2026, I'm gonna come back again. I'm gonna record again another video, and during that time I'm gonna have the best time of my life. That's gonna be the best time of my life. For all who are gonna be supporting me, who's gonna support me in the future. Ngayon pa lang, just right now, I'm saying my thanks.